5,594 ang kabuang bilang ng mga pumasa sa 2025 bar examinations. Ito ay 48.98% mula sa 11,420 na kumuha ng naturang pagsusulit noong nakaraang taon. Ang passing grade ay nananatili sa 75%. Samantala, top 1 ang taga-University of the Philippines na nakakuha ng score na 92.70 na si Jen Roniel Ray T. Sanchez. Ayon pa kay Supreme Court Associate Justice Amy C. Lazaro Javier na siyang naging 2025 bar chairperson. Sa panahon ng 3 araw na bar examinations, nakita niya ang katatagan, determinasyon at tiwala ng mga nagnanais maging abogado.
During these 3 days, I was inspired and humbled after witnessing your grit, determination, and faith as you kept aiming for excellence. Despite the challenges, despite the setbacks, despite the fear, the doubt, the anxiety, you showed up. You gave it your all. You cast the dice that determines your fate today. And since the final day of the bar examinations, like you, I have also spent the last 115 days in torturous wait, filled with sleepless nights, relentless prayers, and an excited, determined, and hopeful heart that for many, rather than for a few, today will mark the fulfillment of your dreams and the answered prayers of the village it took to raise you as lawyers.
Bilang pagkilala at pagpupugay na rin para sa top 20, narito ang pangalan ng successful examinees para sa 2025. Samantala, ang oath-taking at roll signing ay gaganapin sa February 6 sa Philippine Arena. At sa paglabas naman ng resulta, samot-sari ang naging reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens, kung saan madalas ay lubos na naging masaya para sa pagpasa ng kanilang mga kaanak. Jade Buhoy, nag-uulat para sa Golden Nation Network.